See, we gotta keep that head still, right? There you, yep, now you want to hit up on it. A little too fast in the backswing. Remember, slow down the backswing. Alright, do it again. Get set up. Good setup. No, that foot's too far back. There you go. You want to remember, there you go. Get your arms out away from your body. Scoot back a little bit. There you go. Bend, hey, here. Bend over here a little more from the hip. You want to be bent over and let your arms hang. Then grip it. There you go. Make sure you turn. Remember, keep your hands in front of your body. So let your hips relax and turn. Only 13. You're not going to hit it as far as we have to work up to. So nice and slow. Good setup. Now keep your hands in front of your chest and turn. Close. Try start with your wedge and just do short, small swings. Get used to it, and then move up. Okay, your feet are flared out too much. Look at your right one should be straight, or your left one. Sorry, your left. Yep, should be straight. Now your front one. Look at, can be turned out a little bit. There you go. Very close. Very close. So grab your wedges. Grab a wedge or 9-iron. And just take little swings to get used to that motion. Turning with your hands in front of your body. Try to take little swings like this. Don't go all the way back as far as you can. Just nice little ones. There you go. Do that for a little bit. Just don't go fast. Take your time. Make sure you got the good setup. Swing down towards your target. That's amazing. Showing off the belly. Wind is blowing. We can edit anything out. It's weird. Too far back in your stance. Oh, thank you, sir. Well, nice and smooth. Good. So I'm gonna record the whole thing. probably won't be able to send it to you. I'll take a clip of it. Again, your head, you're trying to watch it before you hit it, right? So you want to keep your head still, turn, hit it, swing, and then look for it. There you go. That was it. That was it right there. Just keep nice and steady. Oh, I don't get them good every time either. Keep nice and steady. Nope, ball position's way too far back. There you go. You want to get that lead arm straight. No, your other hand, your other arm.
Oh, wow. Okay, my bad.
This one, because then this is what creates the length and the speed. Okay? Really, look at all these guys. You kidding me? Remember, take your time. Go through the steps. Set up. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad right now. This is why you have edit. Too far, too far back. You're not hitting the slap shot. It's a swing, okay? So you're not hitting it, you're swinging through it. The ball just gets in the way of your swing, so you're not trying to hit it. You're trying to swing through it. Get that right arm straight. There you go. Perfect. Oh, a little left. The ball position's a little too far from you. I think we're hitting a little bit on the side. Oh, it's too good. It's too nice out. Beauty right there, bud. I have to sign you guys up still. I keep forgetting.
See that? Let's go golfing. Let's go golfing. And it's just him missing a touchdown. Just falling.
I saw that one. That was pretty funny.
It's like
Shoot.
Life.
Let me show you something. Okay, ready? You want to feel that. Straighten that right arm. There you go. Take it back, turn, turn, turn. That's what you want to feel. Okay? And I want you to grip it. The end of the clubs are like underneath this line right here. So underneath that line. So make sure you're gripping below that line. Okay? Farther. There you go. That's really good there. Okay, now. Not quite. Let go of this one. Let go. See how this fits in right there? There you go.
Oh my god, this is weird.
Yeah, it is. It's going to feel really weird. This right here, look what, turn it. Look what the face of the club does. Okay? So whatever this is doing coming through, that's a face.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to hit this direction, what would you do? You turn the hands that way. If you want to go out to the left, you would just turn the hands that way, right? So when you practice, you want to practice hitting down the line, that there's an imaginary line that goes all the way out to your target, and that your hands follow through and trying to mark down that target line.
Yes, coach.
No, dude, do you want me to teach you or no? Well, no, I know, but we're taking this serious. See how straight that was? You gotta get a little used to it. That's why I said don't take really big, hard swings at it. Look at when I take my grip. Look at what my club head does. Okay, and then I get down, and then I hit, and I put to square.
Let's go golf. Alright.
I'm not that guy. Okay, try again. Get that in the fingers, so that grip in the fingers. Relax. Don't grip it tight, super tight. Nice and relaxed.
Oh, that's
That was close. I know it's really awkward, but that's you get a good grip. Everything from there is super easy.
Hey, remember Hudson from Camp?
Yeah.
He can actually do a rainbow flick with the ball. And I grabbed a golf ball from a random place, I don't remember where, but he just rainbow flicked that.
Did he really?
Yeah,
That's pretty impressive.
he can rainbow flick everything.
Soccer ball's hard enough, but to do it with a golf ball?
He did it with a can once. They were like, ain't no way, bro, that's Still can't believe Messi's on.
Dude, that was ripped.
Oh, my bad, bro. I'm on countdown.
No, that was awesome. But see how easy that was? The easier you swing, the more solid contact you're going to make, the farther it's going to go and the straighter it's going to go. Once you start getting comfortable in that, then you can start slowly increasing your speed and working on it. I like that ball flight though, it's alright. Make sure you get up in that stance, okay? Don't get too far back, especially with the driver. Choke down in his fingers. There you go. Let's just work on this right now and get it really good, then we can go. That's too far down. Remember, you just want to be
like one spot above.
Right here. So, like, see how mine is? Okay? And mine's are in the fingers. Look.
Whoa, stop moving me off with that one.
But that's how you want to hold it. You want to be able to hold it like that. In your fingers.
Stop burning me with the gun.
Stop. Hey, don't be a dork. I don't want to edit this whole damn video. There you go. So the thing that I learned on the grip, take it all, you put it on there, right? Squeeze real tight and then relax, and that's about what you should be grip pressure wise.
Yeah.
Who what?
Song by Kanye. Devil on a New Dress.
I don't think I've heard that one.
I gotta show you that.
Oh yeah, why is it so good?
It just has a tempo.
Yeah.
Perfection.
That was beautiful. Good swing, my friend.
Thank you.
Stop it.
Yeah, that's why they named the show about me in hockey, the Lady Bay.
Dude, relax. Doesn't happen very often. Wouldn't be a very long video.
You know what?
Think so? We're out here. We're out your face. So pedos don't get all excited.
Oh.
What do you say? What do you say to that?
Wait, a video of my butt? My face?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's some creeps out there, man.
It's like, oh, I didn't say something.
You're not allowed to see my son.
Man, it does happen.
Yeah, you're right. Sometimes it does. You're supposed to have good jokes, not bad jokes.
450 feet, Mike Trout. Getting out of the park. 1, 2, 3. Fingers out of here.
So, what are you gonna say? Dude, that shit's so good. Maybe I need to just go ahead and start teaching. I'll give me the ability to go play. So they would give me the ability to go play. No, if I started teaching again.
Mike Trout, 450. Here we go. Out of here. Peace out.
That's too funny.
What else can I do? Mike Trout.
Well, now you're starting to understand the golf swing. That's good. At least I got that going for us. No, that went out there a little right. That back of that hand, remember? Back of that hand controls the face of the club. Like that? Is it like that? Oh, did you do a club flip? Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay. Alright, here we go. Ready? Mike Trout 600.
Good job. I'll give you a B+, though. You gotta work on the arm.
No doubter. That was Jeff. Man, you better have some speed to get to first. Mm-hmm.
Run, home run. Because all of them kept fumbling and I just kept going like oh no. A Mike Trout when he was a rookie. Terrible.
Damn it.
Exactly that.
Okay, relax. 7. There we go.
Hi, mommy. Hi, Papa.
I'd take that in any tournament.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that did it.
Hey,
Oh, my bad. My bad.
you demonetized me.
Oh, my bad. In my MLB stuff,
Uh-huh.
for my vehicle, my runs my shell, just like this.
Did you make him short and fat?
But, yeah, I made him, oh no, I made a Wapiti Swamp Donkey the first. 6'10". Second, he had 6'10". I hit 2 homers in the first game I played.
That's funny.
Back to back as well. And then we went 8-2 for the first couple of series we go with.
Is he a pitcher? Is he a pitcher?
Oh no, he's right. That's what I'm gonna say. Right is always right. I've never said that before. Let's keep going. But
Yeah.
the animation is like this. Bang.
Which one's that? What's that one called?
I don't remember, but if I hit a no doubter, my home run celebration when I go past third, beat bags. I already know.
You mean potato sack?
Potato sack, yeah, or whatever. I don't care. I was just born in the 30s on you.
Nah.
Oh no, my bad.
Dude. Yeah.
I think it went up.
Yes, it is. Watch it through your head still. Nope. Ball position. Ball position. There we go. You got that wind. The wind really makes anything that curves that much more. That's why I hit it straight.
It's a good hit if it ends up all the way over here. That's what I was saying.
If it goes behind you, so if it goes that direction, you hit it good.
Basically.
Ooh.
I played DJ Khaled basketball highlights. His gift is so fun to hear.
backswing.
I got
It's not a slap shot. It's a golf swing. Oh, God damn it.
Playing like 7 different positions at the same time.
It's open. I can feel it. I just feel it was open. Okay.
Oh, that's it.
Don't really like that little fight.
Rock first.
Okay, now you're saying stupid stuff.
Very, very intellect stuff.
Okay, enough. Kill me right now. That's so bad.
45 AC for your round.
It's interesting. I can't do it. Turn. Post up. That's a little better. What do you think the ball position was on that one?
I didn't know the ball position. I don't know.
You sure?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, for now.
Oh, they did two chips. Good shots.
Not bad. Mike's up.
Slow down the backswing.
Round. Ow. It's not gonna go.
Ball position. Head move. You're trying to watch it before you hit it. You gotta hit it, then look for it. Hey, enough. Okay?
My hand hurts.
I'm sure, but
Sucks.
fast. But me? Move those back, Chief.
Go. How come every time I have to go it's better than half my drives?
What's that?
I have to go for it. It's better than
No,
half my drives.
we're not Happy Gilmore in here. Yeah, we're not doing it. It's not how the game's played.
Well,
We're here working on stuff. You have camp this week, so okay. Let's work on it. There you go. What's hurting on your hand?
just the bottom of
What do you mean? Show me.
it. Like, every time I get this one
Which one? Okay, so that means that you need to make sure it gets on top of the grip. Bring it up. Raise it up.
side, bang at the top of it.
Okay, here's the thing. You don't need to be that far over. You can still feel the same thing. There you go. Better?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want it up on top. Like a motorcycle. How would you hold your there you go.
How would I hold a motorcycle?
The handlebar.
One-handed.
Yeah.
Come on, dude. Pinpoint to ride it.
But it's like you're riding a bike. How would you hold the handle? Hold it in your hands like this, look. You just put your thumb on it. And then your left hand goes right in there. Yep, that looks good. Now that is from twisting too much. So now you get that right hand going down the line, that back of that hand, okay?
Hey, what about backcracker things?
I don't know if those work. Those sound fake. You hear those? You're hearing those videos. This sounds way fake.
I think it's just because they have a mic up to it. That could be a way.
That could be, I guess. Oh, here we go. More aggressive, they're saying, Chief. Yeah. I'm getting a little too lazy and flipping at it instead of swinging through it. There you go. Well, you haven't hit balls and gripped the club like that in a long time, so.
Been like 2 weeks.
Yeah, but you didn't hit this many balls, I don't think.
Did like 6 every time.
No, I know, but I'm just saying that you fixed your grip a little bit, so you're holding 50 less than you did. That's a really good golf ball. I hit that one so solid. It's a good book. I already listened to it.
Yeah, back down. Let's do this.
Mom knows you ordered it.
After I ordered
I know, but she knows you did.
it.
terrible pits. That's what I was asking.
It's like, and then I'm just like,
I listen to Kanye. Does it matter? Beauty there, bud. Here, see if you can hit it this far.
dude. I give up.
I trout that all day. Alright. Let's see if we get a little ball fight here.
Didn't Mike Trout do the home run derby?
Oh, shit. What's that?
I saw this clip when his wife was giving birth. He had his Xbox in the room.
Did he really?
Yeah. Well, not when he was giving birth, but after it
Oh,
came out, she was back to the top.
did he? That's funny.
And he was like, oh my God, Mike Trout. It's like really quiet.
That was smashed.
Okay.
Okay, so I think I figured it out.
Oh, Dad.
Yes, sir.
You're that Xbox bought Activision with.
The what? Oh, yeah, I heard that.
Now they're free on Game Pass.
Oh, that's fine.
Game Pass is gonna get so much games.
Well, we'll see how long it takes for him to do it. Really? Yeah, I just got that one too. I haven't listened to it yet.
All day.
That's too much. Shoot. Another good one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Roughly estimate 1,000 yards across the entire course, you know?
Longest snipe in the world?
Longest snipe in the world. Longer than this one. I can't say that.
Just
Change that word. Longer than the snipe when. Yeah, we get a big joke out of it. Oh, I know what it is.
hear the joke?
Yeah. Oh my. Oh, we just went. Oh no.
That's better. Oh. Oh, shoot. Keep your head still. Alright, here we go. Nope, look at that thing. I'd say that's going to be some golf ball, because I don't think I can make a ball do that. That's insane. What's that?
Barehanded catch by Aaron Judge. Alright, here's how you correctly like
Okay, come on, try this again.
get the water stop. Sound like you're batting. Then low fastball. What happens when Mike Trout hits a low fastball? Yeah.
I'll make that a short.
What?
You calling the Mike Trout, smoking it, and we'll tag him.
The one where I said
No, that was a good one. That's so much better. If what?
If you did, imagine if you replied.
Did you see the video of him at Top Golf?
Nope, that part you didn't.
He hit so far. So far. He's got such a core and he turns so big on it. Well, that's the whole point, is that the whole swing is your core. It's not your arms. It's your knees to your shoulders. Like that. Oh, is that pounded?
Oh, you found that.
Look, tee's behind me, so you know it's good. Ooh. I don't know, man. You're only 13. I can't say what I normally would say to you. Dude, if I could hit it like this next week.
Wait, you're doing the tournament?
Yep. Wenatchee. Wenatchee.
Dude, the tee's so high up.
So you want to try to hit on the inside of the ball. You don't want to look at the back of it. You want to look on the inside of it and try to come underneath down the line. There you go, like that. That was it perfect. So please give me a call if you want to get your kids some lessons.
Productions. I want to take a picture of my cardigan.
And then it's just, oh, it's going to hit the cow.
Oh, you missed it.
It was right on it.
By like the corner.
I caught the hoof. All right, jag off. See if you can keep this rolling, huh?
Whoa, that's a monetized, right? Exactly. Like me, older than you, clearly available to see. You guys have a really good speaker.
Like I said, I'll be real careful of who gets to see this video. Make sure you blur out your face so the pedos don't want to check it out. What'd you just hit?
Oh, I just hit it off the tee.
I thought you're looking at it. Did you hit something?
Ready, watch this, ready? If I say it, I'm ready.
Oh my god, it's so far. Oh, no, just kidding.
You don't have to blur out my face.
No, I don't, because you're my son.
Exactly.
No.
Wow, that's
It's like 185 or 285. I have to use two hands most of the time too. Don't bring Jesus into it. It's all the cocaine you get.
See the welts.
Yeah. This is a good drill for you if you want to get better. It'll help you. In hockey too, it's snapping the wrist. You can take a little bit of a break. I think we have plenty of time before getting this to start.
On the 28th of August.
What's that?
Aren't my tryouts in like August?
Yeah, towards the end of August. 25th, 26th, 28th, or something like that. Yeah, what you got? Oh, we can't. We got trips. Don't forget, there's stuff on the weekends. Like there's stick and pucks in the afternoons.
I know, but they're always so good in fun.
Fair enough.
So that's why I was trying to wake up after it too. Start getting used to my schedule, wake up at 5 o'clock doing that stuff. That's sick.
What?
Ow.
What's that?
The golf you want.
Oh. Wow, it's hit good. Just nowhere near the right direction.
The yard distance for me is actually in half.
Why, you hitting a 300?
Yeah, it makes me hit like 315 for a drive. And then just hit them really high. It's kind of accurate. There's this extension on it that just means that it just has it to like right here.
Yeah.
Just have it on like this, and then you can just play it.
We should have bought one of those. They're like $90. Are they that cheap? The legit one or the one like a second hand? They must have dropped price because I thought it was more expensive than that. Oh yeah? They told you which one to get? Killing the Smalls.
Wasn't my fault.
Who swung it?
Swung it?
Yeah.
God did.
God wanted you to try to take me out?
Pull a DJ Khaled real quick. Hold up. Wait.
What's that?
Exactly what. This is what happened.
God, dude.
I also got DJ Khaled playing the guitar. God, dude. God, dude.
No. Please stop throwing it, okay?
What?
Stop throwing it, please.
Well, I'm not with it.
I know, but we're past that. You gotta play that a little bit further up in your stance than your driver. You're moving your head. Keep your head still.
God, dude.
Do you?
Yeah. Whenever he has like a cup, it's just like in all caps or like God damn.
Hey, you want me to show you how to hit one?
Yeah, bet. That's out of it.
Alright, ready?
God.
That was a little low. Let me see if I hit my
Why do people use it? It's like,
Nope.
it's the,
Nope. Whoever thought you were about to finish, don't.
so you said you can finish it out.
Nope. I don't want to hear it.
It's more useless than
Ooh.
laundry masters. I can move this club away when we get home.
Yeah, pop the blister. Ouch. What club is that? Let me see. Watch out, I'm gonna swing. I'm gonna try it.
One, two. None of you can know. You're just gonna hit one ball.
Let's hit one more. I swung too fast in the backswing. Penskis.
Alright.
What?